If you've spent any time on a towboat, you know that a great day on the water always comes with a pile of gear. Boards, vests, ropes, towels, far too many shoes. It all adds up. The X family has room for all of it. Start at the back. Every X model gets dual rear compartments under the transom loungers. Padded board bags sit on integrated tracks, slide out clean, and zip up when you're done. If you want open space for larger gear instead, pull them out and you've got it. Just ahead of that, there's space for the smaller things. Surf ropes, dock lines, vests, the little pieces that always seem to wander when there's nowhere to put them. It's smart, thoughtful, and easy to access. Step inside and the same logic keeps showing up. Underseat storage swallows gear and keeps it off the floor. Integrated cubbies land where hands naturally reach. Phone holder slots between the cup holders keep devices secure and out of the way. Drain channels keep things clean, and the hinges feel like they're built to last. The details are small, but they add up to a space that works hard and stays sorted. At the helm, it's nice to have a few things handled for you. A dedicated spot for your phone keeps it fully powered. A valuables drawer secures items like your keys and wallet. A thoughtfully placed cubby takes care of the everyday odds and ends. Up front, the bow keeps it just as intentional. Deep sculpted seating wraps around hidden storage, and a dedicated anchor locker, complete with its own hidden cleat, keeps mud, weeds, and moisture out of the interior. Even the tower pulls its weight. Hooks for vests and towels, optional board racks, a bimini that carries up to 6 boards overhead. All of it keeps gear off the deck and out of your way. At every touch point, storage is a part of the design, part of the flow, part of the experience. Because when the boat gives you a place for your stuff, the day feels lighter. Smart storage, clean lines, real-world solutions built into every inch of the X family.